Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight into how I film these YouTube videos. So let's get into it. Now, before I started filming these videos, I wanted to make sure that I had a purpose, and I wanted to make sure that there was a purpose behind every single video that I make. So my purpose is to share my knowledge of filmmaking and photography and give as much information and help as many people as I physically could. And that would be the underlying purpose of every single video, and that is why I make how-to videos, because it's a way of me sharing my knowledge to you. So every single video starts with an idea. So I'll look back at all of my old videos and try and find effects that I've done in the past. Now, once I've found an effect, I'll write up a very rough script, and I'll use this when I'm filming. Ideas also come from suggestions, and if someone asks me how I've done a specific effect, then I'll also use that to create a video. Now, when it comes to the actual process of filming, I used to begin by filming every single video in front of a black screen. I always aim for high production value, and the reason why I use this black screen is because it looks really nice and really cinematic. The problem though is because I'm a freelance filmmaker, I travel around a lot, and this black screen was situated at my home. This means that I didn't always have access to this black screen, and this means that sometimes when I had an idea and I wanted to create a video, I couldn't because I was limited to this black screen. So I started coming out to random streets and random locations and just started filming the videos here. Content is king, and I find that knowledge is more important than a background. So I sacrificed that black screen in some of my videos and just film these videos in random locations around the world. This is why sometimes I'll be on a beach, I'll be on a street, I'll be in a car park, or sometimes I'll be back home and filming in the black screen. Now, rather than using a shotgun mic, when I'm filming myself, I mic myself up with a wireless microphone. That's this thing. This means that if I go all the way back here, you're still gonna hear me just as well as if I'm all the way up next to the camera. I hate watching YouTube videos where the sound is coming and going. It really distracts me, so sound is super important to me. Now, I film all of these videos with the camera mounted to a tripod, and I use the Sony FS7 with a 24 to 105mm lens. This is my go-to setup, and I always use this for every single one of my videos. Filming each video typically takes anywhere between 10 minutes to 30 minutes. It just depends on the subject matter and how complex the shoot is going to be. Now, because of my schedule, I can't film every single day. So typically I'll film 6 to 10 videos, and I'll edit these in batches and upload them in batches. This is why sometimes when I upload a video, the weather is not corresponding to the weather this past week. That's because I've filmed it months in advance. Now, once I've filmed these videos, I'll drop these onto the computer and I'll separate all of the footage into each different video sequence. I'm not exactly the best talking in front of the camera, so when I'm in the edit, I have to cut out a lot of the bad takes and cut out some ums and ahs along the way. So I create this jump cut effect within the videos. Then once I've edited all of the content, I add the title sequence, I add the overlays, the transitions between each effect, and then I add the end slide. Now, from here, I just export the video in a H.264 format and upload the video straight away to YouTube. Just to upload a custom thumbnail and change the title, the description, add the keywords, and then add all the subtitles. Because I film these videos in batches and because of my schedule, I can't upload all of these videos when they're supposed to be posted. So I upload them well in advance and schedule them for upload. I release multiple videos a week and schedule these for 5 PM. So I'll make sure that I schedule this for the correct day and the correct time, and then I'm finished with this video. So on average, from the beginning stages of planning to the finishing stages of uploading and scheduling and all of that business, I would probably say it takes anywhere between 4 to 5 hours to film and edit one video. By creating these videos, I'm trying to share as much knowledge as I physically can and help you out as much as possible. And the love and support that you always leave on every single one of my videos is always really appreciated. This is just a very quick insight into how I make these videos, but if you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and push the bell icon to see more videos like this one in the future. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.